Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Vet's Best Enzymatic Dog Toothpaste Teeth Cleaning and Fresh Breath Dental Care Gel. Vet Formulated. Called it a treat, and she didn't want me to stop. Not an immediate fresh breath, but helped a little with smell, and her teeth were spotless. Nice quality product with good consistency, and without a lot of garbage in the ingredients. He has that terrible habit of eating everything including poop, and after coating one of his bone toys with this stuff, he doesn't have poopy breath. It's a little difficult to get them to let me do this, but it's worth the fight. It is a great toothpaste, good smell, and alertly good flavor. It keeps our dog teeth clean, and his breath doesn't stink. According to the labeling, it's banana flavored. Who knew? At any rate, it does seem to be helping with her breathe. The toothpaste doesn't foam a lot, but we'll see how well it works over time. At first she wasn't a big fan of the taste, which is why that is rated low. However, the difference in only 2 weeks compared to other toothpastes is amazing. Her teeth are looking really good. Seems to be cleaning her teeth too, and making her breath smell a little better. She seems to like the taste, and it seems to be clearing up some of the tartar, and whitening her teeth. It doesn't freshen breath so great until most, or all of the bad breath bacteria is gone. It is too big for her small teeth, and the hard plastic edges hurt her senior gums. Also, one particular concern for me is the taste, as it has been a struggle with other tooth gels. Eventually it's gotten better, but it's definitely more of a struggle with this for puppy teeth. It is made of hard plastic, making it extremely difficult to squeeze out the gel. It would make much more sense for it to be in a soft squeeze tube, like those for toothpaste. Her vet told me her teeth look great, but she hadn't had them cleaned yet, so we'll see. Of course not until it requires anesthesia, and $400 later to scale the tartar off teeth. In fact, this her second bottle. It really seems to keep the bad breath away. This seems to be making a difference on plaque and tartar buildup for both of our Chihuahua Terrier mixed dogs. It also seems to do a decent job of keeping their breath from smelling too bad. Our Yorkie loves the taste, but it's too early to know if it is helpful when it comes to cleaning the moderate tartar already on his teeth. The dog seems okay with it, but he really can't tell me if it tastes terrible. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, and leave your comments below.